up for my nephew's religion, and I say what he says. Whoever has the courage to fight, fight with me.
Mohammed, when I hunt the desert at night, I know God is not kept in the house.
Who would have thought that Hamza above all, with his wine drinking, lion hunting, will come to join Muhammad?
Who are you? We expect our peers and our equals.
Are we your equals? There is only one God, and Muhammad is his messenger.